myself Shruti, and my topic is going to be your leveraging AI in business analysis. So now the topic which is coming is the AI, and we have your business analysis and how the AI can be transforming into that. So basically, when you take any requirements, right? So you have your business analyst, your requirement gathering, the analysis, documentation, process mapping, and testing support. In this scenario, what happens is there's a mundane task. We repeat this kind of process again and again. So in this process, when your steps repeat, we should only use a particular algorithm or maybe some steps. Okay. So what is the benefit of it here? The benefit is faster delivery, your better requirement accuracy, reduce the project cost, improved collaboration, and increase productivity. Now, just take an example. A task was previously took 4 hours for document. It just complete 30 to 45 minutes. Imagine a scenario wherein the stakeholders have to a new requirement or new feature is to be introduced, and you have your meetings with them. By the end of your meeting, you're ready with the document. Does it sounds great, right? But when it happens in practical, it's much time saver. Those documentations, those preparation, formatting, you don't have to give it. You can even specialize your formats as well. Yeah, that's the efficiency of using AI, getting AI into your business analyst. So the next one is conclusion. What we have is your AI plus your business analyst will give you better outcomes. So in case of your domain knowledge, your critical thinking, your stakeholder management, anything which is there, this can be giving you better outcomes. Now, one example of what we have is we have the new feature, for example, the client onboarding, and we require a dashboard wherein they come to know all the texts, which team to pick, operations team, then your compliance team, and then once it is done, there's a CSOL team as well. So for getting those accuracy, we'll require some kind of data to be presented, right? So for that, what we can do is this requirements can be taken, and you can also create a swim lane as well. Swim lane diagrams wherein it will process how exactly it is being done. Now, how it is being done is you require your converting this meeting transcript. So when you have your meetings, do the recordings, get your transcripts. Now, these transcripts can be very useful by giving the AI or your prompt to create the user stories. And if you have a Jira MCP server, you can even get it created those Jiras. That is just just in a minutes. So imagine you getting the requirements, doing the documentation, but in terms of AI, you're using the AI. What it will do is it will just give you the ease of how exactly you can get it done, right? So those transfer will convert into it, even your SQL. Imagine you have a very complex query and you need to minimize or get some joins. You don't have to wait for a developer to get assisted. You have your AI. You can generate those complex queries. Those questions can be done, right? Even the dashboards we need to create. So you have some analysis done, your reports are there. You can just give it to the AI and get a conclusion, what questions you need to ask. This happens in minutes. This is what exactly is the power of the AI when you're using in terms of your analysis. Even you can generate some of the projects as well, like how exactly it is, the sentiments, the customer feedback. You can entire summarize your entire project of it. You can have a better look and feel, right? So here is the one why AI for business analysts. As I repeated, it automates the repetitive BA task, improves the requirement quality, even the documentation, the large data sets quickly. And if you have the concern MCP servers, wherein you can just read those data, read the database, it will analyze it, it will optimize your queries. So basically for your analyst, anything for your, as soon as your workshops are done with your stakeholders, you can get this documents in just fraction of minutes, even seconds, right? So that is the power of your AI here in your business analyst. Okay. Um, And here, for an example, what we have is the feature, and you can represent your swim lane diagrams as well. How exactly you can continuity is being followed right from the request then your business stakeholders, who is going to be the performer, who is going to approve it. Those diagrams also can be generated by your AI. And this integration is really powerful. Yeah, thank you.